Good day, peace and all good. Welcome to St. Joseph's College of Quezon City Basic Education Department. SJC is a Filipino Catholic educational institution that pursues integral human formation for social transformation. The distance learning program of St. Joseph's College Basic Education Department is called the SJC BED-Linked. The program will be a blend of online and offline activities. The Google Classroom, as part of the G Suite for Education account of the school, is the official learning management system that will serve as a platform for all online learning activities. It will be supported by the use of another Google application called Google Meet, which will serve as the official video conferencing application of the department. Today, you will be assisted on how to use Google Meet as a tool to attend to synchronous learning activities. Synchronous learning activities are activities that are done by a class at the same time in a common online environment. A student will need to attend synchronous classes once a week per subject for 30 minutes. There are a number of ways by which one can attend a Google meeting. It may be through the use of Google Calendar, email, phone code, Google Meet link, meeting code, or through the Google Classroom. We will not explore all the ways on how to attend a meeting. We will instead focus on 3 ways. That is the use of the Google Meet link, the meeting code, or through the Google Classroom. In order for you to use the different features of the Google Classroom or Google Meet, you first need to go to Google's homepage. Select the tiled box, then select Google Classroom. You will be redirected to Google Classroom's homepage. The homepage will show you the different subjects you have enrolled in. Select one subject, and then you will be redirected to that Google class. This time, let us try the different ways on how we will be able to attend synchronous classes. First is the use of a Google Meet code. This time it is SJC BED-Linked. Select the tiled box again, then select Google Meet. This is Google Meet's homepage. You have to select Join or Start Meeting. Then you will be prompted to enter the Google Meet code. This time, we will use SJC BED-Linked as our Google Meet code. Then select Continue. Then you will be redirected to this page. This page is not yet the synchronous class. This page will allow you to set up. Select Settings. Then you will be given the option to set up your audio or your video. Under the audio section, you will be able to select from all the available microphones that are plugged in your computer. The same is true for the speakers. Also, you will be able to test whether or not your speakers are working. This time, let us go to the video section. The video section will allow you to choose from all the available cameras that are plugged in your computer. You may not set this up every time you attend a synchronous class. The default setting may work as well. Once everything is set up, you may now click Join Now. Clicking Join Now will bring you to the synchronous class. I will inform you of the functions of the different buttons at the bottom. This microphone button here allows you to mute or unmute your audio. The video icon right here will allow you to turn off your camera or to turn it on. Turning on the captions will transcribe everything that is being said in the class into subtitles, just like this one. Next, the Present Now button will allow you to present your entire screen, your window, or your Chrome tab. This will come in handy when you will be asked to report. This time, let us try presenting a window. Clicking that will allow you to choose which window to present. This time, let's try to present a PowerPoint window. Once you start presenting, what will be seen by the whole class, including your teacher, will be your PowerPoint presentation or the window that you are presenting. Once you are done presenting, simply select Stop Presenting, then you'll go back to the default setting. The three dots here will give you more options on how you'll be able to set up your Google Meeting. The Record Meeting button will only be available for teachers. It will allow teachers to record all their classes. No student or parent will be allowed to record Google classes. The recording of the teachers will only be used for educational purposes and for documentation. You may also select how your screen would look like by choosing the layout. The sidebar layout will look like this. The teacher will have the biggest feed, while all the students will be on the side. Another layout is the spotlight, where only the one who is presenting or the teacher can be seen. Then, we also have the tiled layout. The tiled layout will allow you to see all the students in your class. This time, we also have icons on top. The people icon will show you all the attendees of the Google class. And the chat button will allow you to ask questions, to raise points, or to give comments about the class. The teacher will check the chat section from time to time to address questions or clarifications. Next, this icon right here will allow you to leave the class when dismissed. Students are discouraged to linger or stay in the Google meeting once dismissed. Next, we have another way in order to attend a synchronous class by the use of a link. Simply click the link and you will be redirected to the Google Meet. Repeat the same process as what has been discussed. Next, we also have a Google Classroom link that is found on top of each Google Class. Simply click the link and you will be redirected to the Google Meet's homepage. Then the same process will be followed. Ladies and gentlemen, those are the 3 ways on how you will be able to attend synchronous classes through Google Meet. Teachers will be using mostly the links that will be generated through the Google Classroom. However, Google Meet codes or Google Meet links may be used when setting up special meetings or conferences with parents. I hope that this video tutorial has been helpful to you. Thank you and God bless.